Still going. All right, which one is it?
This one.
I need Snoopy.
Oh, this is
Okay, there's Snoopy. All right, put him down.
Baby, a baby, it's a baby, it's a baby, it's a what? It's a good baby.
They will look in your face. We guarantee it.
Hey, buddy, look, here's a horsey. Oh, you just want kisses. He just
All
wants.
right, put him down there, hon. See if he's a little. Let him walk a little bit. Play with that.
You want this? Here. I think he just wants kisses. Here.
Dennis, he'll make you a good dog.
He just wants kisses. That's what he likes. Oh, what you do? Yeah, buddy. Go play. Go play here. No, more kisses.
Be very sociable.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Oh, here's his friend.
Dennis is in Florida right now.
Oh, you're in Florida.
He lives in Michigan, though.
You gonna go to Michigan?
Ain't that right, Dennis?
You gonna go Michigan? You gonna like Michigan?
Let's see, what's our temperature? About 34?
Buddy. Buddy.
That ain't cold.
It's just so sweet.
All right, put him down. Let him walk just a little
I
more.
tried, but he likes kisses. See? I told you. Oh, there's his friend. He'll play with his friend.
All righty.
Snoopy. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Be a week from Friday, Dennis.